Welcome to English with Neha7117. This is your English speaking practice video. Repeat every sentence after me. Speak loudly, clearly, and confidently. Let's begin. What is your name? My name is Neha. Where do you live? I live in Maharashtra. How are you? I am fine, thank you. What do you do? I am a student. Can you help me? Yes, I can help you. No, I am busy. Please sit down. Stand up. Come here. Go there. Open the door. Close the window. What is the time? It is 10 o'clock. Do you speak English? Yes, I speak a little. I am learning English. I want to speak fluently. I like learning new things. I practice English daily. I wake up at 6 a.m. I brush my teeth. I take a bath. I eat breakfast. I study for 2 hours. I go to college. I help my family. I watch English videos. I sleep at 10 p.m. What do you want? I want some water. Are you hungry? Yes, I am hungry. No, I am full. Are you tired? Yes, I need some rest. Let's go for a walk. Let's study together. Let's speak in English. Let's improve every day. Do you like tea or coffee? I like tea. She likes coffee. He likes milk. They like juice. I don't like spicy food. I like simple food. This food is tasty. The water is cold. The room is clean. The bag is heavy. This is my book. That is your pen. These are my shoes. Those are their bags. It is raining. The sun is bright. The weather is hot. The day is beautiful. What are you doing? I am reading a book. I am writing in my notebook. I am watching TV. I am learning English. I am speaking now. Are you listening to me? Yes, I am listening. No, I am not listening. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. Please repeat it again. Speak slowly, please. I did not understand. That's okay. Try again. I go to school every day. I went to school yesterday. I will go to school tomorrow. She eats lunch at 1 p.m. She ate lunch at 2 p.m. She will eat lunch at 1 p.m. tomorrow. We play in the evening. We played yesterday. We will play tomorrow. Now talk about yourself. My name is Neha. I am 23 years old. I live in India. I am learning English. I practice daily. I want to speak confidently. I watch English videos. I repeat and learn. I write and speak. I never give up. I go to the market. I went to the market yesterday. I have gone to the market. Thank you for practicing with me today.